You know, sometimes when your friends say, please come over and play motorcycles.
So yeah, we're going to have to go after building a bike. We're going to do it in 72 hours.
72 hours.
Guess we need to start planning out.
We're not planning anything. We're flipping coins, buddy.
Okay.
Unit or pre-unit? Come on, please be happy. Yes! Yeah! Pre-unit. You're excited about that too. Why don't we take a couple days off and go race?
You said we only had a limited amount of time to build this bike.
Well, that is correct. We've done a lot. We go race in Daytona.
Welcome back to the channel. Somebody's sleepy.
I'm tired.
I mean, it is
Probably pushing 10
o'clock at night.
Yeah, 10
Yeah.
p.m.
So we went racing in Daytona.
Yes.
People would have seen that.
Yes.
Had a lot of fun. I got
It
sunburned.
was, yeah, you got some sun. I lost a lot of energy.
Yeah.
I'm at Joe level.
Maybe you lost it, you expelled it.
Yes.
Yeah. You delivered it.
I do not have it in the tank.
No.
And it's 10 o'clock at night
In your garage.
in my garage after racing all day long. We're gonna push till midnight.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna sleep really well. But that will put us, I don't know, what was the math again? First day, 7 hours. Second day, 13 hours.
So
and
20 hours.
and
Bar
then-
racing now.
we started at 9, so another 3 hours.
Yep. 23 hours.
23 hours.
So nearly a day. Like a
Yeah.
whole day.
Yeah, and I mean, we've done a lot of work. We've
It's
done a
all
lot
back
of stuff.
together. Yeah.
Getting ready for the top
As
end.
clean as it needs to be, I think.
Okay.
It sparks. And you've done piston cleaning. Valves ready to go.
Yeah, put the tappet blocks and tappets into the cylinder.
Yep.
Getting everything prepped to start going for the top end. My goal tonight is to have the cylinder on, and we can start working on the head tomorrow. You're working on getting a magneto on.
Yep. I just need some hardware for that.
Yeah, you need some hardware. You need to find some hardware. Should I tell you where to look?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, all right, I'll help you with that.
Because it is late.
It is late.
Yeah. Should we
Thank
do
you
it?
for your help at the racetrack. That
That's
was
okay.
good. It was a good time.
Yeah.
Fun. I definitely broke some things.
Yep.
We drilled some things.
We did.
If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go back and check it out. It was a good time. But I think we need to get back to work, or else we're not going to get anything
Yeah, we're going to time
done.
out.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, you watch what we're doing, like in that bit where I put bars and music and stuff.
Music.
Yeah.
Status quo?
No.
No status quo, because that would be a copyright infringement, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't do that.
It is the next day. We have help. Who wants to escape?
I wouldn't say it's help. It's more of a distraction.
Yeah. You're gonna let your dog out. I've got valves to lap in, things to put back together, and then you're gonna do.
What do you need me to do?
You're doing timing, aren't you?
I will do timing.
And then whatever you want to do.
Well, hopefully by the time I get done with timing, you'll be done lapping valves and we can mount the head.
Yep.
And then we can move on to rocker boxes.
Okay. There you
Cool. I'll let the puppy out. You get to work.
go. Okay.
Counterclockwise. There you go. And then turn off. There you go.
39 degrees.
Well, is that Fahrenheit or Celsius?
BTDC.
There you go.
That's what I'll go with.
Before top dead center.
Yeah.
We are dead on. Perfect ignition. So this thing should, if we have the carburetor set right, should start on the first kick.
Should.
There's this thing that's called the handshake. Every motorcycle has like a secret handshake to make it work right. So if you do everything you possibly can, you can make
To persuade it.
Yeah, well, I mean, you set everything right and you make sure it's good.
Nicely.
Yeah, and you rub it in the right places, tickle it,
Yeah, exactly that.
if they know what tickling means.
Yeah.
So.
But yeah, it's coming together. It's nearly done. That last valve
Nearly
lap.
done.
Oh, yeah.
Not done yet?
No. But where are you, Jared? Where are you?
I'm here.
Greasing up.
Greasing up gaskets.
I got rocker boxes.
Rocker boxes. Boxes that rock.
Yep. Heads on.
What do they rock?
Your world.
Listen, they're going to rock everybody's world when this thing fires up. Especially people watching the video.
Yeah.
What you got?
Well, I think we're nearly there, aren't we?
Nearly there. Nearly time to go to the pub and get beer.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
It's gonna be nice because that's what we're gonna do when we get these rocker boxes on
The
here.
only problem is it's American beer.
Oh man!
It's just not quite.
Actually, they do have they have a English brown ale.
Do they?
Yeah. So you might be impressed.
I will
You can be the
feedback.
judge of that because I don't know a English brown ale.
Yeah, I'll feedback.
So yeah.
Do you think they can do it?
This is always fun on 1966 because 66 had unique pushrod tubes. If you look down in your pushrod tubes, there's actually discs in there that line up.
Oh, yeah.
They did away with that the next year because if you don't properly align those, it will wear on the side of the push rods.
Yep. I'm going to bed.
Me too.
Is that allowed?
You're not sleeping with me.
Have we done enough?
We've done quite a bit. 34 hours worth of work.
Yep. Yeah, we've got a carburetor. It's pretty much ready once we get the primer together. So I think let's sleep.
Yep.
Shopping!
Here we are again.
Best kind of shopping, isn't it?
Who knew that a trip to the storage unit would re-inspire me to get back to work on your bike?
Yeah?
Yeah, when you look at cool old Triumph parts, man, it makes you like, okay, I got a lot of that stuff. Let's do it.
Let's build something.
Let's,
Or finish building something.
yeah, let's finish building something.
Well, I mean, we're leaving with less than we came with, which is probably a good idea.
That's because we're coming down to the end of the line.
Yeah. Gas. Petrol.
Petrol.
Yeah. I'm done.
We did it.
I'm cooked.
Everything except for fluids and starting it.
I can only appreciate your patience more than ever today.
I mean, it's got to get done.
Yeah.
So, hey,
Yeah.
it's fun though.
Yeah.
We
It's
have,
good, isn't it?
We have one complete bike. Yeah, it's pretty rad, man. I'm stoked on it.
Does it bike?
It better than bike.
Okay.
It chops. even though it's not a chopper, it's really what you would consider like a period correct bobber.
Yeah.
Because we didn't modify the frame in any way. We just added struts on the back, kind of stripped off a bunch of stuff that was unnecessary.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
So fluids tomorrow.
Fluids, and then your foot.
My foot, and then it might make a lot of noise.
It might, it will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How many kicks? Before he says, jump down in the comments right now, before the video carries on, and put your guess in.
And before he puts his foot on it, I'll tell you how many.
Okay. In the morning?
In the morning.
The last day.
Final day.
Yeah.
It's a
I have to go home.
I can't sing that. That would be copyright infringement.
49 and a half hours.
As of this moment, 49 and a half.
And it is distinctly motorcycle shape now.
It is a shape of a motorcycle.
It's just going to make noises like a motorcycle.
It is going to make noises,
Yeah?
at least when you kick it. If it's engine noises, hopefully it's good engine noises.
So we've got to put fluids in, probably got about half hour on that. So that's a nice round 50 hours.
50. So 50 hours into a 1957 Triumph.
In over 3 days of working? That's right.
Yeah,
mate.
something like that.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, cool.
And it's your bike. It's yours. You can have it. You put a lot of hard work into it, buddy. Because I wouldn't have done this. I wouldn't have done it without this guy.
And I wouldn't have done it if I hadn't met you.
Yeah, you wouldn't own your first pre in it if it weren't for me. So there you
I
go.
appreciate it. Thank you.
I love you, buddy.
That's unbelievable.
I love you. Well, let's stop yammering about.
Get some fluids in and see if it starts.
It's gonna start. Don't forget, we gotta count how many kicks, right?
Okay.
So I got a number in my head.
Okay.
But you don't have a good history with kick-starting pre-units.
I don't.
You can go back and watch some of the other videos from when he's been here before.
Yeah.
This time I have
Look,
faith.
Addy's bike, the unit,
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
that was good.
Yeah. Well, I have faith this time.
Okay.
All right, let's kick it. See what you got. How many kicks does it take? You give it any throttle? Give it about a quarter. Oh, there she wants to run. Now you can let off the throttle. I said 3.
Yeah. 52 short, sweet hours of nice, easygoing. Oh,
I mean, I had a night where I was pretty tired. You had
a day.
a day where you were pretty tired. It's no joke. I mean,
Yeah.
we busted butt. And
Yeah.
rolling on what? Between five, maybe 6 hours of sleep each night.
Yeah,
But you got to end the video.
absolutely.
I mean, you end it differently every time. So
Yeah.
it's usually like, all right, geek.
Thank you for watching. Really appreciate you sticking with us because it's 2 long videos, isn't it, really?
2 videos.
But it's come out really well.
Yep.
I am so grateful to you for opening your house, giving your time, and then this is, I don't have words for that, but yeah.
Well, and if you guys want to jump over to Weems Motor Co., I'm not saying you have to, but it's 2 complete different videos. I did all mine in one video and captured different stuff that Joe didn't capture. So it's
Yep.
not watching the same video. It is the same content, but it's just different perspective, different working on things. So
Fills in the blanks. Block of wood.
block of wood.
But yeah, so click like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and we will see you in the next one.